Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. What's up, guys? So welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Alicia. If you are not, then welcome back. Today's video is on this cute little curly bob, perfect for summer, perfect for beginners, and perfect for the girlies who want some low maintenance. From ISEE Hair. Today's video is sponsored by them. If you want to see how I got the curls to be nice and juicy and cute and bouncy, keep on watching this video. One thing about ISEE Hair, their packaging is going to be top tier. I love their packaging. This is a 12-inch glueless water wave wig. It comes with the pre-plucked hairline HD lace, and she's affordable. It's only $145, and this is all the stuff that came in the box. It came with a bunch of information regarding their wigs, how to put on their glueless wigs, as well as lashes, an eye mask, bonnet, an elastic band, just everything you could possibly need for a wig install. And that's why I say I love their packaging. ISEE Hair used to be one of my favorite companies. I used to purchase from them a lot. But as far as this wig compared to other glueless wigs I've received, I love the way that the hairline is plucked. It's very natural and you do not have to do anything to it. The knots are super small. You don't have to do anything to this wig when you receive it. You just put it on. Lately, I've been using the Ruby Kisses liquid concealer. This is in the shade Toast. I heard that the LA Pro concealer was better to use than the Ruby Kisses cream foundation. And so this is pretty much a dupe for that, and it's $2 cheaper. So I've been using this instead of the cream foundation, and I love it. The blend is seamless. It melts so much better to me, and I always struggle with finding a skin match, like a perfect skin match for my skin tone. I like to use my makeup brush on the inside and the outside. So I use a big brush on the inside to just tint the lace, and then I use a small brush to blend it on the outside, on top, to have that seamless look, because we're not gluing this wig down. And I'm telling y'all, it's absolutely perfect. If you're not using Ruby Kisses or LA Pro, go get it. If you are a beginner and you've never put on a glueless wig before, it's so easy. All you have to do is tint your lace. You can use your makeup shade. If you don't have all these extra products, you could just use your regular foundation, put it on your lace, tint the lace, and put the wig on. Nothing else is really needed. It comes with this elastic band on the inside. Tighten it to however tight you need it to be, and that's it. Style your wig. So I just cleaned up the part and went ahead and added some water to this later on in the video. This is the natural texture of the curls, and I just cleaned the part up with my cream foundation instead of the actual liquid concealer that I was using. The curls in the natural state are very nice. I actually like the wig in its natural state and didn't even want to put any water on it. I wanted to show y'all what it looked like in both ways. I did take my hot comb and just go over the top to flatten out the wig and just make it look a little bit more clean. I like that clean look. I think it's cute. I love like old curls. I think that they look a lot more natural, but these are super defined. They're super uniform. So I do think we need to go in and add some water to them and comb them out a little bit, make it look a little bit more natural and not just straight out the pack. I love pulling out my edges, like my sideburns, when I'm wearing a closure wig, because I think it looks a lot more natural. When the wind blows back, nobody wants to see tracks, so I'm gonna always pull the hair out. I think it looks so much better. But yeah, look at that. It's giving like full frontal. You would have never known. As far as my curls, I'm just going to be defining these with some water and the African Pride Curl Milk Detangler. I don't use anything else. I only use this, and I use mousse. In this video, I'm going to be using the Nairobi mousse because I ran out of my African Pride mousse. I used the curl mousse. I think it's rose water. But I'm trying to tell y'all, African Pride is that girl. Like, go get with them. I love all their stuff for my natural hair and for my wigs because I have curly hair anyway, but the products are good. Like, and this curl milk detangler with the water combo eats. Okay, But yes, I'm just going to go ahead and define my curls and then go in with my diffuser attachment on my hair dryer from Amazon. You can find all my products and all of my hot tools linked in my Amazon storefront in the description box down below. As far as the curls go, the key to making them look juicy and just healthy is really, when you're brushing the curls out, is to brush it all the way to the ends. I like to put mousse on the ends of the hair and the water goes over all of the hair. I just feel like something about that combo, the way that I do it, the way that I apply it, it just makes the ends look and clump together better. So when you're brushing it out, you just want to make sure that you're really brushing it and holding tension on the ends, going all the way down so it can make that curl at the bottom. And also like separating it from the top and the bottom. So right now I'm brushing everything together, but I will separate the top hair from the bottom hair so it's just not all flat. But yes, just make sure you're brushing it all the way to the ends as you see me doing, and that right there is really going to make the ends look a lot more just like defined and not just straggly, but to stay curly, if you get what I'm saying. Because this is a short wig, you don't have to do as much when it comes to making the ends look like this. It's a lot easier to achieve versus a longer wig. But really, like I said, here I go separating it. The key is to brush all the way to the ends and focus on those ends and let the hairs kind of stick together and just let it sit. Once it gets to this point, I'm going to go into with my diffuser and just dry everything down and try not to move it too much. Try not to get too much air in it so it doesn't get frizzy and it just holds those curls in place. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little tidbits, my little keys, my little tips that I be dropping. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my socials, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. Hey, how you gonna grow it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna grow it away? Think it's so damn hard to explain. How you gonna grow it all away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna grow it away? Grow it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Running like you numb, it got me going. You're only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even